Alright, it's Maniac Dblocks Edition Big Ripper. See the camo. Let's get it past. Power wing bars. Back of the seat. Raise it up. The donuts. Keep that wheel up. For all you worms that don't know how to keep your wheel up, maybe this will help you right here. See? Keep that wheel up. Yeah, of course, I gotta have the thick flick tires on. Alright, it's about to be showtime. It's time to raise it up. Let's get it. Bike is just for me. It's made for me. It is me. People don't know when you ride in the rain and you let it dry up, then you wipe the rims. Don't wipe the rims when it's wet. Let it dry up first. It gets sticky. Keep that wheel up. Let's get it.